Can we uninstall games from Microsoft Store? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try if we can uninstall games from Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you need to take here is open up your Microsoft Store. So simply search for Microsoft Store in your search bar on your Windows and open it up. After you've opened it up, you can then simply search for the games that you want to delete or simply head over to this downloads or library option to check out your downloads. So just head over to library, let's head over to library here and then search for the games. So it can take some time to load, just wait for it. And after you are on this section, head over to this games tab and there you can see the list of your games. Now, if you want to delete a game, you can just open this up. Let's see if there is an option to uninstall game. So here you can see there is only option to open this game up, but not one to delete it. So you can then scroll down and check if there is an option, but there doesn't seem to be like any, but there is an update button. So if there is no option here, let's head back and there is a three dot right beside it. If you tap on more option, there you will see different options, but not one to uninstall. So there is no option to actually delete or uninstall game from Microsoft Store. So you will have to do it from your settings. And I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.